Deep clean like a pro. BISSELL's most powerful portable cleaner for stains, pets and car detailing. Say goodbye to mystery stains, pet messes, and ground and grime with the BISSELL Little Green Pro, your ultimate deep cleaning sidekick. This compact but mighty machine uses pro-level suction, intense scrubbing power, and BISSELL's superior cleaning formulas to obliterate even the toughest stains. From carpets to couches, stairs to car interiors, no mess is too deep, no stain too stubborn. Unlike bulky carpet cleaners, this lightweight, 13-pound powerhouse is built for portability and precision, so you can tackle accidents, spills, and pet messes the moment they happen. Let's talk power. The BISSELL Little Green Pro is no wimpy spot cleaner. This beastly stain fighter pulls deep-seated dirt from the bottom up using a deep stain tool and 3-inch tough stain tool for next-level scrubbing action. Combined with 5.7 amps of suction, this machine doesn't just clean surface-level stains, it annihilates them. Pet messes? Handled. Coffee spills? Gone. Kid disasters? No sweat. And with a 5-foot hose, you can reach tight spaces, upholstery, stairs, and car seats without breaking a sweat. Save time, money, and your sanity. Why pay for expensive professional carpet cleanings when you can get pro results at home? The BISSELL Little Green Pro delivers high-powered cleaning at a fraction of the cost, meaning fewer replacements, fewer trips to the dry cleaner, and no more tossing out ruined rugs or upholstery. The included Pro Max Clean Plus Protect and Deep Clean formulas ensure your fabrics stay fresh, stain-free, and odor-free, especially if you've got messy pets or kids running the show. Built to last, designed to impress. Unlike cheap knockoffs, BISSELL's rugged, high-quality construction ensures years of reliable performance. The ergonomic handle and lightweight build make it easy to carry, while the corded design guarantees consistent power without worrying about batteries. Plus, you'll love the pet-friendly mission. Every purchase helps save homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. Cleaning has never felt this good, literally and morally. Tired of staring at ugly stains, lingering odors, and pet messes? The BISSELL Little Green Pro is your instant fix. Click Add to Cart now and unleash the power of professional-grade cleaning, right from the comfort of your home.